So we have some breaking news this morning from crypto exchange FTX. They're going to be taking a 30% stake in the crypto investment firm SkyBridge Capital. Joining us right now is Anthony Scaramucci, SkyBridge's capital founder and CNBC contributor, of course. Also, Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX founder and CEO, joining us this morning. Thank you both. It's nice to see you, Anthony. Congratulations on this investment.
Well, yeah. Well, thank you, Andrew. Good morning, Sam. It's great to see Sam. And we're delighted about the transaction and think there's a very bright future for SkyBridge and, of course, for FTX.
So, Sam, tell us how this came together. And we were talking earlier in the broadcast, I don't know if you saw, about this idea that you've been now described as the J.P. Morgan, if you will, of the crypto business, as you've gone in now and, in some cases, put lots of different investments in firms, saved some in certain cases. Why this investment?
Yeah, we've gotten to know, know the team over the last year, starting with, a SALT conference last year that we attended. We've been really excited about what they've been doing, really excited, about what they've been doing, sort of both from the investment angle, from, growing out the community and particularly growing out, simultaneously sort of digital asset communities, but also traditional asset communities, bringing them together. And we wanted to become a part of that. And, kind of the first step was working with them on the SALT conferences, especially obviously Crypto Bahamas earlier this year. And we see this as the next exciting, sort of step here.
In terms of the investment, there's a couple things going on. One is $40 million, if I understand it, is going to go
portion
onto
of the proceeds. Yep.
Portion of the proceeds is going to go directly onto your balance sheet, and you're going to be buying crypto with it.
Yeah, we've already actually purchased the security tokens. Here's the thing. This is capital stock from the firm. None of the partners of the firm are selling any stock. I'm certainly not selling my stock. The firm will be 18 years old in March. And, I went to Sam, frankly, and I said, we have an opportunity to grow this platform, not just in the digital space, but also in the traditional asset management space. And I think what we're doing in asset management matches the vision that Sam has for FTX in terms of its growth. And I think there's a lot of synergies there, and there's a lot of relationship opportunity, cross-generational relationship opportunities that we can share with each other.
Speak to this.
And plus, I like Sam a great deal. Look at him. He's,
Speak to this issue, though. There was a period where you had gated redemptions for your investors.
Okay, so let's just go over that again.
And I only raise it because people are going to say
how much of this is. But if you remember, the day I did that, I called in from LA and explained it to everybody. We have, $2.7 billion under management. Less than 8% of the firm's assets are in that fund. Unfortunately, there's a lot of private equity in that fund, as well as liquid assets. One of the wirehouses decided to put a sell on the fund, and they always do this, by the way. They sell these funds at the bottom, and they put buys. 3.5 months ago it was a buy, now it's a sell, and they zigzag their investors. And I can't, as a fiduciary, let certain people out and leave other people just with the private stuff. It's all there in the document.
Right.
I ask people to just please be patient. We're long-term investors. Sam is a long-term investor. You should come into these funds as a long-term investor. And as soon as we can create more liquidity on the private equity side of that investment, we'll let those guys out. And it's the prudent thing to do, and it's the fiduciary thing to do. And frankly, I'm proud that I did that.
I guess that was the question.
No, this investment doesn't change it. But what this does do, with Sam's help and his team's help, I believe we're going to expand our investment footprint globally. We've got $2.7 billion in assets under management right now. Let's take it to $5.4 billion. And then when we get there, let's take it to $10.8 billion. Right. Sam's got a very long-term, ambitious plan for FTX. I personally want to be a part of that with him. And it's exciting.